How do you manufacture products designed for an environment that doesn't exist in a lab or even on this planet? The companies in the aerospace and defense industry, the manufacturers designing individual aircraft components, or developing advanced and complex space exploration vehicles, face ever-present and constantly changing challenges. Demands are increasingly complicated, deadlines grow tighter, and stakes are higher. Aerospace and defense companies understand how critical innovation is to their survival. But innovation does not result from a single big idea. Real innovation requires a combination of intricate details and countless design, engineering, and manufacturing decisions. Real innovation requires digitalization. Today's leading engineers and design teams are building tomorrow's real innovations by digitally connecting the physical world with a virtual representation known as the digital twin. The groundbreaking concepts of the digital twin will tell you that something is happening. But innovation works when you find a way to connect product information to understand why that something is happening. This is called the digital thread, and it creates a seamless, multidiscipline integration between design, analysis, manufacturing, and support. When John F. Kennedy proclaimed that by the end of the 1960s we would place a man on the moon, they didn't have this technology to guide them. Paper designs, real-world simulations, and physical prototypes were considerable barriers stalling advancements, yet success was achieved. Tomorrow's aerospace and defense industries face the monumental tasks of building the products that require testing before implementation. Digital threads give opportunities of improvements in efficiency, productivity, cost, and agility across the entire organization, and the capability to test and validate in a virtual world. Once upon a time, JFK spoke of putting a man on the moon by the end of the decade and highlighted how the space exploration's infancy created technological achievements that sparked a great number of new companies and tens of thousands of new jobs. The sky was the limit. But now, the incorporation of digitalization has proven that the sky is no longer the limit. As major aerospace and defense industry leaders continue developing with digital technology, innovators can make greater strides in space exploration. Siemens helps aerospace customers achieve their goals by providing collaborative, synchronized program management across the entire product lifecycle and value chain.